On this episode, we are going to be checking out Boundary Tek Case. Coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? This is Jin from Oribags, and on this channel, we are all about coming up with product videos and tips to help you carry better. So if this is your first time watching, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell button too. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be checking out the Tek Case by Boundary Supply. Now this is a dual-sided comprehensive tech organizer that packs an amazing punch. Now this Tek Case has so many clever organizational compartments, you'll be impressed, really, trust me. And they also have one of the most unique cable storage designs that I have ever seen. So be sure that you watch all the way till the end of this video to learn more about it. So let's get to it. Being in Oribags all these years, I've seen my fair share of tech kits, tech pouches, cable bags, you name it, so many. And there are a few that really stand out to me in terms of functionality, design, quality, and uniqueness, all-round uniqueness about it. And this Tek Case by Boundary is definitely one of them. Now, I really wish you could actually feel this material, but I'm going to switch you over to ASMR mode for just a moment. Maybe you can actually hear how this product feels like. Now I hope that tingled your senses. The exterior material on the Tek Case is made out of 400D TPU nylon, which is Boundary's most technically advanced textile. So it's made out of high tenacity nylon, which is back coated with waterproof TPU and finished with a DWR face coating. And I also like the size of this pouch. In fact, I'm very agreeable with this size because I feel like it can fit everything that I'm carrying. So let me give you some dimensions. So as I've mentioned earlier, this is actually a dual-sided pouch. So let's start with this side. Let me get the zippers open. Okay, but just a quick highlight on the zippers. They are actually quality YKK zippers that are lined with an aqua guard. And the zippers run really smoothly. You can feel the quality of the zippers. And when you first open this side, I think the first thing that you will notice is that the pouch doesn't open all the way. So this is due to the accordion style compartments on the inside. Now the interior material is made out of 200D nylon ripstop. So it's a very lightweight material but very strong, so it prevents rips from happening. Now let me walk you through the features in this compartment. So over here, let's give you a top view over here. So you will find 4 elastic loops over here. These are ideal for your stationery, pens, pencils, stylus. Now this Boundary logo tab over here isn't just a normal logo tab. Now they've even managed to turn this into something functional. This is actually a business card slot. That's right. Now moving along to the middle section. Now these are stretchable mesh pockets. And this section is actually ideal for odd size items that you might have. And this is definitely a great place where I would store my MacBook charger, some chunky stuff that needs a bit more flexible room. And over here, you'll find a keychain loop, obviously for your keys. And in this zipper compartment, you will find even more clever organizational features, okay? Over here, there are 5 elastic pockets for your SD cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 compartments here, elastic loops here for your SD cards. This is perfect and also very generous, don't you think? Not one, not two, but 5 SD card holders. And there are also 2 other slip pockets over here. Alright, and if you take a closer look here on this side, this is a pass-through for charging on the go, and this pass-through connects to the external compartment right here. I will take you through this compartment in just a bit. So now that we've covered this side, let's move on to the next section, which is this side over here. Let's open this up. Alright, now this section opens out flat, which I really like. I can see everything that I need. And remember at the beginning of the video, I was telling you about a unique storage feature. That's right, this is it. They call this the elastic daisy chain cord loops. Now this is very unique because the way you store your things, it's entirely up to you. It's a free, sort of like a free space on how you would like to use these elastic loops. So for example, you could actually tuck them away behind these loops like so. Okay, so but I'm not entirely agreeable with this method because there's no way for me to actually see very clearly what's behind these loops. So I would have to actually open up the loops and figure out, oh, what do I have actually behind here? And I might just forget what I kept here actually. So another way of using this would be to make use of the loops like so. So you can actually loop them up and arrange it this way. So I've got a question for you. What do you actually think of these loops? Let me know in the comments section below. Moving along, we have 2 very handy stretch mesh pockets right here, and they both come with a secure flap, so this is really handy for preventing your things from falling out, and probably a great place for you to store your earphones or your earbuds or your AirPods. And finally, let's check out the external zipper pocket right here. Now, as you can see, this also comes with sort of like an aqua guard because this part of the pocket is exposed to the outside. So yeah, it's pretty spacious, and this is where the pass-through comes. I'm not sure if you can see clearly. Let's give you a closer look. The pass-through is actually here. And the last feature are these integrated hand straps over here. Now, to be honest, they are actually kind of narrow, so I have small hands, so it's easy for me to sort of like slip my hands in here. But if you have bigger hands, I'm not sure how you could actually make use of this fully. Probably you can carry it like this. But yeah, so they have an integrated hand strap on both sides of the pouch. And that's all there is on Boundary Tek Case. I hope you found this video useful. Now, if you're interested to get your hands on this tech case, you can just head on over to oribags.com and check it out there, or just hit the links in the description box below and it'll take you straight to the product page. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!